Good morning, everyone. Welcome back on Daily Crypto Plan. January 23. Let's start with Bitcoin as usual and see what we have for today. Good morning, Farmer Joan, Sebastian, Bova, Cryptonaire, and everyone else. Hey, Bukur. Well, everyone was expecting all-time highs on Bitcoin, and Trump is here, Trump is that, and we are still in the same range. Now, let's see the Bitcoin chart here. So, yesterday we said that we want 106.5 this area for a short. We got yesterday this area. Personally, I shorted as a hedge, and I'm happy with that decision for the moment. You can see here the entire list, it's almost everything is red. So assuming that we'll go in one day to the all-time high after a failed attempt to take the all-time high here, I don't think it's the best decision. I still think range, I still think market is relatively strong. Good morning, Stefan, good morning. But at the same time, I cannot ignore this candle. This candle, the position, the rejection, the date, tells ugly story. Buy the rumor, sell the news. Not the simple way, a bit more complicated. Sell the rumor, buy the rumor, sell the news. But that's clear. This was a clear rejection. We just come back here to retest the level. We failed, and we are back in the original range. We have 100k again to fight, and it will be a fight again at 100k. I don't want you to assume that will fail or will bounce. Let's wait for the market to tell us if 100k will hold. It's pretty simple. Market should tell us if 100k should hold or not. Good morning, Ivan. Good morning, Catalin. We are not here to predict the market. We are here to make money. It's a big difference. People don't understand what I'm asking, but it's a fucking big difference. We are here to see what market will do and just play some setups, make some money. Being right is not part of the deal. Now, on daily chart, you can see equal highs here on RSI. OBV is damn strong in the last move here. Nothing special, just range. So, the next area where we should see what will happen, it's 100k. And I'll be patient, I'll wait. I'm more than happy to wait because I have a short from here. That's, you can see here. In 10 minutes we'll get to this setup. So, for the moment we are fighting this level. Let's not assume that will hold or will fail. Let's just wait for the market to tell us what we should do. If you are short with me from yesterday, well, hold on to your short. Book some profit if you want, if you think it's too much. But don't close everything. Keep a moon bag, but in the opposite direction. We don't know how low this one could go. We can retest even the lows here. So that's Bitcoin. Let's see Ethereum. Ethereum honestly didn't perform nicely when Bitcoin was too strong, but now it's not so bearish. I still think we can retest this, and usually it's a good thing to retest this week. Will hold? Only market to tell us. So for the moment I don't have a setup. I said I'm not shorting Ethereum. I'll short as a hedge only Bitcoin, and I don't see a long setup here on Ethereum. It's just not there. Until I'll see a long setup, I'm just staying on the sidelines, protecting my capital. Now, we are making money on the scalping day trading part, and it's more than enough. Yesterday, Stefan on VIP posted, I don't know, 3, 4, 5 trades, made nice money. You cannot get better than that. When the opportunities will come on higher time frame, we'll participate. Until then, let's make money on lower time frame. Hey Jade. So if you don't see a setup, don't play. Okay, let's look at Ethereum versus Bitcoin. We are holding this level. You can see here, it's 78.6. High volatility here in the Trump inauguration. Waiting for a double is the best decision. But still, don't be bearish at 78.6 long reload zone from the entire range. I know, yeah, Ethereum is shit. Ethereum was shit at $80 also in 2021. Yeah? Who is old enough to remember, after the COVID low, Ethereum was shit for some time. Yeah? So it's not a new story. I'm waiting for a W. I'm thinking long Ethereum versus Bitcoin as I did yesterday and so far. We'll see. Now, Bitcoin dominance. We are trying to do something nice here. You can see we rejected from the Mountain Man short. And if I'll put 4-hour chart, we already have some M's. It's trying. And I think if we'll continue down to the downside, we can have some kind of altcoin season. January is almost gone. We still have time for a nice altcoin season. Honestly, I don't care on what period a clear altcoin season will come, as long as it's coming this year. The lower it goes, the better for us. The more time will stay at the lows, the stronger will bounce. I know people will say, well, this time is different. Altcoins will go straight to zero. They will not bounce. Okay. Don't play altcoins then. Play only what you think it's working. I'm playing my plan, and my plan says to buy as low as possible and wait. Nobody says, so nothing in my plan says has to bounce in January, February, March, or any month. No. My plan says I'll buy here, I'll sell half on a double, get in a risk-free position, and hold that back. P-cycle top, it's far away to hit. I see the public coming in, but not it's not that feeling of exponential bull market yet. With the public, I mean. We have signs. What better sign you can get than Trump making a meme coin? Actually, it's kind of scary seeing that. I'm expecting the top in the next couple of months. But, who knows? We'll see. Dominance here. I see M's on 4-hour chart. I see short reload zone. Let's wait. Nothing I can do more than that because my bags are full. So I'm just noticing that Bitcoin dominance has an M in a short reload zone on 4-hour chart. That's it. I'm already in the altcoins. Total market cap. Let's go back on daily. As long as we are holding above 3 trillion, I don't have a problem. Consolidating here is not bearish. Yeah, it's boring. Yeah, will drive some people off. Will say, well, fuck it, I don't take it anymore. I will just quit. Yeah, I noticed even my friends did that this week, but nothing I can do. Yeah, it's ugly indeed, but if you buy something, that doesn't mean market should go to all-time high tomorrow. It's that simple. So I'm still bullish here. We are still above 3 trillion. Total 3, similar. Fighting $1 trillion. Yeah? So you saw what Trump meme coin did. You saw what AI coins did. Just with a story, just with a tweet, just with a post. And you tell me that Total 3 will stay at $1 trillion? Just think about it. Yeah? We are talking about all the altcoins except Bitcoin and Ethereum. You think they'll stay here? Anyway, fighting this level, bot setup, I could see the market pushing higher. When? After we'll accept above 1.1 trillion. That's my overview today. It's similar with the yesterday one. Not too many things changed. I posted a trade on 4-hour chart on peer. Yeah, you can see good location here. Pump and dump back down here. Yeah. Acceptable OBV, acceptable RSI, nothing to worry about. And I took this trade here. You cannot take this one on futures on Binance, or you have to buy spot. So if you want to buy as a trade, I posted on premium already. Looks nice. No? Could be a fake out, yeah, could be, but I could risk a bit of money to find out. Yeah? Look at this one. This was a W, W breakout. Now it's trying to make a W. Maybe we'll do the same. If we'll take the lows, yeah, well, if we'll take the lows, I prefer to put the stop loss below this week low, okay? Something like this. So even $2.4 I think is not a bad idea. Big round number, it's better. Okay. Something like this. So entry at 2.77 or a bit below. You can see the market is just below that level and hoping for a nice risk to reward. If we'll confirm and we'll push higher, you should close everything at 4.5. No, but book some profit. So that's the trade I took in the morning. Okay, now the entire list except peer and GMT, and that's about it. It's red. Nothing to complain. Seeing Bitcoin dropping a little bit, cleaning up, staying here at the lows, like I said, for me is not bearish. For me it's even more bullish, seeing the market consolidating. As long as staying at the bottom, beginners will give up and will sell. And when nobody is left to sell, the strong hands will stay. And when the public will come in and the weak hands will try to buy again, with the strong hands in charge, they could push really nice. Because there are people like me, for example, well, from my part, peer could go to zero. I'm not selling my spot bag. It's that simple. That's the plan. I don't care. We'll stay at $1 for 1 fucking year. My plan says to stay the fuck out and just leave it there. If we go to zero, so be it. So you cannot throw me out from that trade, from that, convince me to sell my peer. And I'm not the only one. There are people with a lot of money that they bought peer, maybe a lot lower or higher, but they are not selling. They are not giving up at the bottom. They are buying here. The longer we'll stay here, the better for us. Okay. Rest, it's with red, but on higher time frame weekly chart, still buyable level. Sorry. I have a new mouse and it's kind of ugly to work with it. Okay, now lower time frame, because we said something about lower time frame. Okay, this was the trade we discussed yesterday. Huh? We didn't get that level, but we get a nice level there. Look at the result. Now we are in the lower part of this range, yeah? 99 to 110. The last part of the range. We should think long from now on. But how I could think long? Exactly like I did here. Okay? Give me some W's. Here I waited for an M. Here I'll wait for a W. Indicators, not too many things I could say, but you get the idea. Here in the top, I was hunting short setups. Here in the bottom, I'll hunt some long setups. Because I'm in a damn good position from the short reload zone. I'll close most of the trade and keep a little bit with the stop loss at scratch. and then I'll attempt to long. Yeah? If you want to play around with this. We can take these equal lows here or the lows here before we'll push back up. Yes. Will 100k hold? Well, I don't know. But I don't think we'll go straight down. I think we'll bounce here. So I'm convinced that I should respect my plan and I should look for W's. Market will tell me. If the market will make W's breakout retest, that means I should enter the market. And I should play the long side. Simple. We don't need to overcomplicate things. Well, if this one will go, if this time is different and will not bounce, if no. My plan says play the range game. We are in the good area, good location. Give me W's and I'll play it. It's that simple. Let's put 1 hour. Okay. You can see it better here. Huh? We can take these lows. Well, it's possible. We can test 100k with a. It's not correct to say weak. With a tail all the way down here, and then bounce and get back in the middle of the range. I don't know if we have events. We have any event today? Reports on the economic calendar or something? I don't think we have anything big. But the attention is still on Trump. As long as Trump is keep doing stuff and helping and doing good stuff for crypto, that level will hold 100k. When morning, Christian. Morning, Mark. When we'll have a bearish news, people are kind of waiting for a reason here at 100k. What's the bad part is that Michael Saylor or Sailor Moon it's bought again and again, and the price is still at 100k. So we need a lot of buying pressure to escape 100k and push higher. Form a bigger support, a big support above 100k. For example, let's make a support at 108 or 110. You can see on 1 hour we have 11 minutes. This looks like a W forming here. If you want to play classic range game, well, this is the swing low. You can see we bounced until here. This is a long reload zone. You have a W in the long reload zone forming now at this point in time. Take it or leave it. It's that simple. Ethereum on 1 hour chart, we kind of have the same location here, but I'll be honest with you, I want these lows tested. I want this liquidity swept. I want people to get liquidated here, and then we'll think about long. We can bounce before that, but I think the market is not strong enough to escape here. We'll take the lows probably, and then we'll push. So play an SFU here if you want, as an idea. How you should frame an SFU? Well, you should learn by now from Crypto Traders Arena, from our Discord. Let's see Solana. Everyone was bullish and strong Solana. Yeah, still strong. But has an ugly range here from $296 to $230. And this is a damn range now. Every time we'll touch this area, look for long ideas. Every time we'll play close to $300, try to play a short idea. If you want to short altcoins, I'm not. But you get we are pushing. So we pushed all the way up, and now we are ranging, and it's a damn big range. It's playable. To unban you, C Kappa? I banned you? What stupid stuff you did? I don't know. You did something. I'm not banning people for nothing. Anyway, big range, playable if you want, but same. People or market makers will hunt the liquidity here, because there are some stop losses. You can check on the heat map and everything you want. you can see that here. I don't need that because I see the lows and I know the people will hide their stop losses here. So it's clear. It's clear that the liquidity hidden here will be taken out sooner than later, and they are just waiting for a news, for an event, and they'll take it. Tao, someone asked me, well, what I should do on Tao, and I told him to look at what we said about Tao in the yesterday live stream. Well, I'll repeat again. I think this level will not hold, especially if Bitcoin will drop a little bit. And I'm waiting in this area for a double, in the long reload zone. Simple as that. We discussed this scenario here. This level probably will not hold. I'm not sure, but we are working with probabilities here. Dropping, pushing back up, making a double in the long reload zone, retesting and pushing higher. That's the ideal scenario. Here, $400 for $400 on Tao. I don't know who you are, CD. What do you want me to do now? To stop the presentation and unban you? I don't know who you are. What's your nickname? What's your... So, please go ahead and put in the chat everything you think I should know. Okay. That's Tao. Now, nobody's laughing of me and Stefan. Actually, Stefan was, well, I think this level will be tested again. Huh? Nobody's laughing. When the market was pushing here, well, no, you're stupid. Well, he's a technical analysis and a trader, not stupid. Well, Dancy, I'll show you something. Yeah? Sorry, you're banned also here. Goodbye. I hate people that think they are the middle of something. I don't know. Some people will understand. And everything is about them and they should interrupt anything and they all should post. And I don't like people like that. So, sorry. But not sorry. Ripple, we played this AB equals CD is stopped in the middle of the move. I love the strength of Ripple, but it's not playable for me. Ripple is ugly to trade. I tried multiple times along the years and it's ugly. We'll come and test once more. We'll test your stop loss and then we'll push higher. There are ugly people that people don't manage Ripple. So I learned in time that I'm not profitable playing setups on Ripple. I have the bag from long time ago and I'm just watching on the sideline. If I'll see a clear setup, I'll post it. Probably I'll take it to a small risk, but I have that pressure above my head that maybe it's just in my head that Ripple is not tradable. They'll test the lows once more. They'll do an SFU. We'll do something just to stop you up. Yeah, so the story with the guy I just banned, it's an ugly story. I told him that he should keep his mouth shut about some subject. We are here to trade. He didn't understand. I banned him and now it's bugging me in the chat. No thank you. Go somewhere else. Well, Doge. Everyone is bullish on Doge. I'm bullish on Doge on longer run. I have a bag from the lows, but I don't see here. You see anything special? Let's put daily chart. I don't see anything special here. I see a consolidation, yeah. I need some better levels for me to even think about Doge. Some FUD, something to happen to drop at least testing this week low. Yeah, indeed. The market pushed to 44 cents, people, with the rumor that Elon Musk will do something with Doge. And indeed, he did. He put the name on. You saw what happened with Doge. And the price didn't manage to climb above 50 cents. So, because Doge is so big, I think needs more. And it's hard to push Doge above 50 cents now. So my chances is to play like a long reload zone here. If we'll get it. I don't know if we'll get that. Play the long reload zone. Hopefully the market will push here and will form a double. Look left, we have some support here. Yeah. If the market will push straight up, well, you can do that without me. The market could push up. I have that bag. I'll be okay with that. Trading here, I don't see the opportunity. Things change when you are looking at Holy Grail. If you see a 5-minute uptrend, okay, you can climb and play that one. But I don't see overall why I should focus on Doge. I'm still keeping it on my list just to keep an eye on it, but no. I could see this one in a good location and give me a W and I could play it. Look at this one, good location. Look at Saga, for example, testing the lows. Maybe we'll SFU the lows, so I could play something. A lot of them, a lot of altcoins are looking. They are not looking better. They have a better location for me to hunt long setups. They are not looking better. So that's my 2 cents. If you have requests, please type in the chat. Please type the ticker and the time frame you want me to take a look. About Trump here. I have this one bought at $20. I'm not touching it here. I know some people will say, well, I'll buy it. This week low is telling me to stay the fuck out, people. Look at the volume. Look at the week or tail. Let's speak technically correct. Yeah. So I'm not touching in between here. These levels you can see they are pretty important, and then we are just above the mountain man. I think we should push lower. When will happen? If will happen, I don't know. But I'm forced to stay out. Was new, was shiny, had a lot of volatility, like everything else. Remember, TIA, another dimension, other coins. New and shiny, Trump is the best, Trump will do that. Okay, people bought, people sold, people lost money, people made money. It's not shiny, it's not new anymore. Well, Trump has a meme coin. Well, we know that already. It's not something wow. Okay? So now needs to do what every other coin or every other chart will do, to consolidate. For the moment is holding this level, but in our experience the support is here, 61.8 and lower. So we should wait with a classic setup. Okay, that doesn't mean you cannot trade on lower time frame here on 5-minute chart and find W's and play LJ setups and so on. It's doable. But on 1 hour and higher, I will wait in the long reload zone. I'm not touching Trump here. I have that bag at $20. I didn't sold it here. I don't intend to sell it for the moment. Okay, let's see what Jade is saying. Open on daily time frame. Open. KuCoin? Yeah. Daily time frame. Okay, Jade. Why not? High volatility. It's what I could see here. Market is bouncing violently every time that when it's touching 0075. This area here at 88.6. You can see. Someone said that it's enough. Every time the market is reaching this level, someone is buying. So waiting here for the same level, I don't think it's a bad idea. As an investor, well, you can dollar cost average, buy little or late. You can see the weekly W, it's a bit above. Yeah. But every time the market is reaching this level, someone is saying, well, no, go back up. So hunting that level is the best you can do, Jade. If you already have a bag, just hold it. I don't know. What I could suggest, if you are overexposed, I hope you are not, if you bought a lower level, or you buy 007, 008, and you sell half on a double, get in a free position. Sell half on a double, take your money back into your account, and you have some free coins, and you can hold the coins a lot more, and you can make some money. But it's obvious that 88.6, someone decided that this is the support. Not me. That's for sure. 4-hour chart, let's look at a lower time frame. Well, we had the pump, we had the dump, we had the pump and dump, and we'll consolidate back here at 0.8 cents. This is the area. You can draw another long reload zone, classically, from the highs to the lows, and you can see here. Yeah? Look left, you have some support. If you'll see a W here, that's playable. But you need a W in this area. You have location, get a W, and we can push higher. Here, exactly here, I don't want to touch it. I prefer to see a dip and then a W, 4 hour, 1 hour, but that's day trading already. Anything else? I see you open from Jade. Okay. Nothing else? No. Well, people, I know it's hard. Even for the people that they are here day in, day out from, I don't know, years. I know it's hard to hold the bags at the lows. If you want to sell the lows, to sell the bottom, well, I don't suggest that. Yeah? Don't do that. The problem is that should be hard. That's how a bottom is forming. You should be strong enough to hold. What you want to do? You want to sell the bottom? You did that last time, probably, most of you. It was a good feeling to see the market 10, 20, 100 times higher without you. I don't think it's a good strategy. I decided to respect my plan. So, doesn't matter what market will do, I'll stay with my plan. Yeah? If this time is different and altcoins will go to zero, so be it. I'll lose the money. But I'll still be okay. That's why you get that warning every time. Don't risk the money you cannot afford to lose. So it's not a good strategy to invest, because investment means from 1 year to 3 years to 5 years. Take your rent money and put it there, because you cannot hold that money there. You cannot afford to lose it. When you need to pay the rent, you need to take the money out. Doesn't matter what the price is. You cannot hold that money there for 3-5 years. So make a good plan and respect it. That's my strategy. Is that what I recommend to everyone? I'll be okay if everything will go to zero. Yeah? Why? Because I managed to become a trader, and doesn't matter what the market will do, I'll be here and I have that skill to make money. That's simple. Will be easy to take a loss or everything, all the altcoins to go to zero? No, of course not. But it's manageable. So if you are in the same position, you have the bags almost full or full, and you are waiting, well, let's wait together and let's wait more. Because now, from today until tomorrow, if you are watching the charts and you are opening your phone to see your portfolio, seems like 1 week, 1 month. But that doesn't mean we should give up at the bottom. It's the ugliest and the stupidest mistake we can make. And the feeling, trust me, I tell you from my experience, the feeling of missing out, it's stronger than the feeling that you lost the money. 5 times, 10 times stronger. So it's harder to take that loss, potential loss, to see that you had, for example, open. You bought open here, and this one will do 100x without you because you sold here. You didn't have enough patience. It will hunt you for months or even years. I still remember and I still have some feelings when I remember about Cardano. Yeah? And keep in mind, I didn't sold everything at the bottom. I still made nice money on Cardano last cycle, but not as much as I should have. I sold a lot of Cardano exactly at the bottom. I put the bottom in the market. So, people, it's up to you. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a guy blabbing away here. Yeah? I'm telling what I see in the market. Stefan is doing the same. We are trading our own money. We are kicking out people like you saw earlier that they are misbehaving. We have a clean community. Let's keep it clean. Let's keep it nice. And let's make some money. Because we can make money from investing. We can make money from position trading, swing trading, and even day trading, some of you. Yeah? That brings the discussion at the end of Capua 1 and Capua 2. We'll start in February. Yeah? I have, I think, 10 or more people asking details about Capua 1. I don't know about Capua 2 because Stefan is taking care of it. And only 3 places for Capua 1 and I think 4 for Capua 2. So it's up to you. I prefer to see in Capua 1 people that they are here from some time or people that they are consistent. I don't like to see someone paying and showing up from time to time, and I hate that situation. I'm not doing this for money or entirely for money. Okay? So I don't know how to say it, but if you are not serious, please don't join Capua 1 just to piss me off. I want people that they really want to learn. If I put some time and effort to teach someone, I want to see some results. Well, beginning of February, beginning of the week, something like that, Catalin. Doesn't matter, because we are working on the weekly basis there. You'll get the documents at the beginning of the week, and then we'll have the live stream and so on. I'll announce you. I'll make a separate channel for Capua 1 where we'll discuss only the Capua 1 students. Huh? Every time I'm doing the same. We'll have a specific live stream chat, a specific chat where we discuss Capua 1 things without anything else. So, I'm happy with my short. I don't think we should stay... just 1 second to put 1 hour chart. Why I have this? I don't think we should think like... people will panic. I don't think we should stay bearish here. Wait for W's. If we'll see W's, we can play. If you'll see SFU, try to play the SFUs. Yeah, okay, Catalin. Not bad. You'll see it's boring. It's boring to learn. Will take 4 months. People lose their excitement in 4 months. I'll tell you that. So only the strong ones will be here. Only the strong ones will learn how to trade. I think you're one of them. I see you day in, day out here. So we'll see. Okay, people. I could blab away for another hour. Or maybe even more. But I need to trade. So let's close the live stream. I'll go on VIP and try to make some money with Stefan and the VIP people. See you in the New York session if you are premium, or tomorrow with the same live stream. Bye bye.